Kitchen with Pehchan TV. This is very quick and easy recipe. You can just make it in 10 minutes. Welcome to Nandini's Kitchen with Pehchan TV. I'm just making easy palak paneer. Everyone likes palak paneer. But this is the very easy way when you don't find any more ingredients as per the other Punjabi style recipe. This is also the Punjabi style, and once someone will eat, no one can find out the difference. This is very quick and easy recipe. You can just make it in 10 minutes. So this is the palak spinach. I have bought it from Aldi's frozen spinach, but we can use it fresh one as well. What you need to do is get the fresh spinach, cut it, chop it in the large bunch, and then you have to blanch it. Blanch it means most of the people know that you put it like big pot. Put the water in, make it to the boil, and then throw the spinach in the bowl, and just keep it on 1 minute. Take it outside quickly and put it again in the cold water, and then you have to blend it. To avoid that process, I always use the frozen one. It makes you easy and nice way. You go straight away to the blender. So I'm gonna put the spinach in the blender. Because this is frozen spinach or any frozen vegetable, they go through the blanch process. And rather than putting the green chili, it's hard for me, so I couldn't find today. So I'm gonna put it like 1 teaspoon of red chili flake. This is the easy recipe, but you have to follow the step as I'm showing you today. Will be great taste for you. So let's blend. So if you find it hard to blend it, you can put little bit water in. It will be easy. Our spinach is ready now. Now let's start how to cook it. I'll show you how to cook it. I have taken the 3 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Making the easy palak paneer, the tadka is most important part of this recipe. So once you heat the oil, you put the cumin seeds and let it roast by itself until it turns in golden brown. It is kind of like frying the cumin seed. You can see slowly it just start bubbling up. Now my jeera is turning brown. We have to make it like dark brown. So jeera is like, cumin is frying like kind of that. My jeera is now ready. I'm going to put garlic in it. So this is my garlic. I have crushed it. So I'm going to leave it in the oil. Once you put the garlic in, you have to make sure it just start getting a little bit darker, but not too much dark. My garlic is ready now, and I'm going to throw the spinach puree. It is 1 bag of Aldi. See, my spinach puree is like that. I think it's good for me. But if you want, you can add it. Just keep cooking and keep stirring. Meanwhile, you have to leave this puree for another 1 or 2 minutes. I feel now it's ready. उसका कलर जो है ना वो होना चाहिए पालक पनीर का ऐसा आ गया. Now I'm gonna throw now my gravy is ready, and I'm gonna throw the paneer, fried paneer in it. If you wanna make it at home like fried paneer, that I always use in my old recipe. What you need to do, cut the paneer in a cube, and then you take little bit handful of plain flour, roll it up in the plain flour, and then put the little bit oil in the pan and just saute it for a minute, and you will get this kind of paneer. It will stay like this and you will enjoy soft and nice paneer. So I'm throwing the paneer in the mix it well and let it cool down, like let it stay for 1 to 2 minutes. And you can see now I'm gonna put the salt in. You have to put the salt at the last. After throwing the paneer, you will see the gravy will be start shining. So that means our vegetable is ready. Yogurt, fresh yogurt. If you want and make it a little bit heavy, you can use the fresh cream. But I always try to diet way. I like to cook diet way. So this is the best option for me and it turns very good. So I'm just leaving the yogurt. And mix it well. You just keep moving your spoon until you feel that yogurt is melt down in the gravy. And there you go. The palak paneer is ready to serve. Can you see this palak paneer? How nice and beautiful it looks. And there is some secret in these ingredients. Because as usual, if you find the palak paneer recipe, you find maybe more than 10 ingredients. But this one I have made it with only 6 ingredients. So there is no tomato. If whoever is not taking onion, they can have it as well. So no tomato, no onion, no garam masala. And the secret is I have put the palak, then paneer, and then garlic, cumin. Anytime you come to Nandini's kitchen, you will find something new. And I'm very happy Pehchan TV gave me this opportunity to serve myself and bring you more and more recipe to you. So next time, come and see me, Nandini's Kitchen with Pehchan TV. You will definitely love my cooking.